5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Live in relationship is a oblique an association where two people cohabit outside marriage. The concept is already accepted and legalized in many countries around the world. As per the apex court, for a man and a woman in love to live together is part of the right to life. Therefore, a live-in relationship is no longer an offense. It is pertinent to mention that primarily it sheds light on the term wife and considers a woman in a living relationship alike wife stranger. Thereafter, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, which is regarded as the first piece of legislation, provided legal recognition to relations outside marriage by covering it under the ambit of relations in the nature of marriage. Many attempts have been made to bring it into the purview of some laws like domestic violence, maintenance, property, the legal status of a child in order to regulate the dynamics of this new social order. Stanza. Still, on moral and societal grounds, it is always debatable and is still a taboo in India. Marriage in Indian culture has been considered as a holy bond since the Vedic times. The idea of marriage has consistently advanced with time. With the continual development in society and human psychology, the concept of marriage and relationship has likewise advanced. The present generation is more generous and liberal about the idea and concept of cohabitation. Stanza. A live-in relationship has yet not been socially accepted in India, unlike many other countries. Nevertheless, with steady societal advancement, people are opting for an alternative institution like live-in relation to form a lasting material relationship which is like marriage but out of marriage. Stranger. The apex court in its various judgments has stated that if a man and a woman living like a husband and a wife in a long-term relationship and even have children, the judiciary will presume that the two were married and same laws would be applicable to them and their relationship. The concept of a live-in relationship was recognized by the Allahabad High Court, where it is observed by the bench that in our opinion a man and a woman even without getting married can live together if they wish to. This may be regarded as immoral by society, but it is not illegal. Stanza. There is a difference between law and morality. Afterwards, in another case, the Supreme Court observed that live-in relations between two adults without formal marriage cannot be construed as an offense. Further, it is added that there was no law prohibiting live-in relationships or premarital sex. Stanza. Article 21 of the Constitution of India guarantees right to life and personal liberty as a fundamental right. The court observed that two people who are in a live-in relationship without a formal marriage are not criminal offenders. Therefore, live-in relationships are legal in India. Stanza. The intended couple must be of legal age to marry, that is, the couple should be mature according to Indian law. The Allahabad High Court stated a lady of about 21 years of age being a major has the right to go anywhere and that anyone, man and woman, even without getting married, can live together if they wish. Although in a recent judgment, the Kerala High Court held that an adult couple could be in a live-in relationship even if the man's age is below 21 years, which is the legal age for marriage. Stanza. The relationship should not be taken for granted. There must be some sincerity and seriousness towards the relationship to prove it legal. Spending a week or a one night stand cannot come under the purview of a domestic relationship. The live-in relationship, if continued for a long time, cannot be termed as a walk-in and walk-out relationship, and that there is a presumption of marriage between the parties. This approach indicates the intention of the court in favor of treating long-term living relationships as a marriage rather than making it a new concept like a live-in relationship. Stanza. The Honorable Supreme Court for the first time recognized live-in relationship and gave legal validity to a 50-year live-in relationship of a couple held that a strong presumption arises in favor of wedlock where the partners have lived together for a long term as husband and wife. Although the presumption is rebutable, a heavy burden lies on him who seeks to deprive the relationship of its legal origin. Over.